Hey guys, it's Yanni from FX Lounge, and it's time for another performance update video. I didn't do an update video for June because that's when we just switched the auto traders back on after we've developed the backtester and identified the best pairs we should be trading during these market conditions. So in this video I'm quickly going to go through June and July's results, and you should also be able to do this yourself with the backtester. The backtester that I sent you, you really need to use this because it's also important for you to make sure that the results you get matches the results that you get in the backtester. The backtester is 100% accurate because remember, it's based on actual trading results. It's not a backtester that's based on MT4's tick data. It's based on actual trading results. So that's a massive difference. So you've got to use your backtester to look at the results. The chart you're looking at here is the 13-month cumulative growth chart. But you can clearly see here the last few, probably about 100 and just over 100 trades here. It's basically moved sideways, but I'll show you the breakdown of the results we had for June and July respectively. And also for August. August we obviously had a drop in the first week, which I'll also quickly talk about as well. But I just want to go to the backtester and I want to show you how I get these results, and you should be able to match this with your results that you have in your account. So if you open up the backtester, the settings are exactly the same as the set file that I've sent you. Okay, if you don't have the set file, you can just let me know and I can just send it to you again. But the only thing you have to change here, you don't really mess with anything here. The only thing you change is the dates. So if you want to have a look and see how you've performed for, or how the auto trader has performed so far for, say, August, then you just select the 1st of August and you select today's date, and it will show you after you've obviously named the file, just say August up to the 6th or whatever you want to call it. You click OK, and then you'll be able to find the file in the MQL folder. Okay, and then you can have a look at the results and make sure that those results matches the results that you have in your trading account. That's really important. So if you don't see any trades in your trading account for like 2 or 3 days, you have to contact me. A lot of you are running this auto trade on your own computer, and if you do, then it's really difficult for me to monitor and to make sure that your auto trade is working the way it should. So if you're not getting any trades for like 2 days or 3 days, you need to contact me, okay? Because obviously something has gone wrong. What sometimes happens is there could be like a dip in your internet connection, or you restart your computer or your MT4 platform, and then what happens is the indicator gets stuck. We do have a new indicator that I did send you guys that you can install on your computer to make sure that indicator doesn't get stuck, because what it does is it refreshes the chart automatically, the template, so it will make sure that your indicator is on at all times. Okay, but again, it's your job and responsibility to make sure that your account is taking the trades. If it's not, again, you need to contact me. So basically what I've done to get the 13-month, the growth over the last 13 months, was just to put in the dates here. Okay, so you just put in the 13 months from the first, is to select the dates of the 1st of July 2016, even though the auto trader started on the 23rd of June 2016. But you can't really, count that as a month if you start on the 23rd. It's only like a week. So to get a full month's performance, we started from the 1st of July 2016 up until the end of July 2017. And again, like I've mentioned to you in the beginning of the video, I also included August. August we've had a bit of a steep drop to start off with, but it's not something that we haven't seen before. Measure the performance of the month at the end of the month, as you know. If you select those days that I just mentioned to you, from the 1st of June all the way up to Friday's date, which was the 4th of August, this is what you'll get. Okay. Now I want to show you the results for June and July we've had, and this is exactly what your results should look like in your account. Okay, so here's the chart since the July 2016 up until now. So you can see that it's been doing really well. If we look at June 2017, the results for that month was 11.44%. That's if you take 2% risk on your account. Now some of you won't be taking 2% risk. Some of you will take 1% risk. If you take 1% risk, you've got to take this result and obviously divide it by 2. If you take a 0.5% risk, obviously you need to divide it by 4, and so on. Okay, but this is based on a 2% risk. Now you can see over the last 13 months that there has been some losing months. If you look at September 2016, there was a minus 3.1% return. December 2016, there was also a 7.3% loss. February, a 6.44% loss. And then in July, which is obviously the month just gone, it was very flat. It was pretty much a break-even month. and in June again 11.44%. August, which is the current month, you can see there's quite a steep drop of 11.36%, but again it's only after the first week, so we have to wait for the month of August to run its course, then only can you tell how you've performed for the month. So you've got to look at the performance on a month-to-month basis and not get caught up on daily trading activities, okay, because you'll just drive yourself mad. Now, of course, we've been very unfortunate to miss out on this 33.42% gain because we had our auto trader switch off. We had to work on the backtested that would help us to identify the best performing pairs. Now we've got something that can run through any market conditions, and as you can see, the results are really decent. Now if you include the growth or the drop of August, okay, which is currently at 11.36%, you still end up with a total net growth of 132.1% growth since the 1st of July 2016. So it was basically 13 months and a week. Okay, so again, that includes the drop in August so far. Now, anything can happen in August. We are most likely to get another profitable month, but our experience so far over the last, say from June to up to date, so far, obviously, it's more like a break even if you think about it, because the 11.44 minus 0.12 gives you 11.32 growth, and with the 11.36 loss for August so far, you're actually in a slight loss from this period over to the first week of August. So, but hopefully the overall trend will give you a really good idea and feeling of what you can expect going forward. Okay, we've only been running now for 2 months based on these settings, but this is really, I'm really excited about what I can see here in front of me. But the most important thing, again, like I've mentioned to you earlier, you got to make sure that your auto trader is running, and you got to make sure you're getting trades. If you don't get any trades for 2 days, you got to let me know. That's the performance for June. June 11.44%, July minus 0.12%, and then I'll do another update video at the end of this month where I will talk you through the performance of August. So over the last 13 months, we've had 4 losing months, where the biggest loss was 7.3%. The biggest winning month was 33.42%. That is huge. That is massive. And if you have to look in terms of the minimum performance that for you to pay for one of the 24-month license is to get at least a 5% growth. So over this 13-month period, there are 5 months that you didn't have to pay, even though you're ending up with 132% return. Okay guys, that's it. It's a really short video, but it's, again, you have the backtester to play with these results. Please use your backtester, and you can play with the figures, and you can see, you can also plot exactly the same charts, and also make sure that the results you get does match the performance that you get on the backtester, okay, because it is accurate. Okay, again, so that's it guys. Let's hope we have a really good August, and then you can expect the next update video in the first few days of September. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, or you would like to talk about anything, or you'd like to discuss your account, please feel free to contact me. I'll be more than happy to have a chat.